नमस्ते स्टूडेंट, खुश रहो बेटिया। आई JVN डॉक्टर नीलम चक्रवर्ती फ्रॉम ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, assistant professor in management department. In today's session we are going about discuss the decision making and sustainable development. Now, in this subject project management, our topic decision making. So, let's start now. The topic decision making. A decision making is a choice between two or more alternative and weighting and measuring of the consequence of each alternative can be done in the three types of conditions. First one is certainty, second is risk, and third one is uncertainty. Steps in decision making: recognizing the problem and deciding priorities among the problems, and diagnosing the problem and developing alternative solving or course of action, and measuring and comparing the consequences of alternative solutions. Now, measuring and comparing the consequences of alternative solutions and converting the decision into effective action and follow-up of action. Now, let's discuss the sustainable development. Sustainable development is the organizing and principle for meeting human development and goals while sustaining and the ability of natural systems to provide the natural resource and ecosystem services on which the economy and society depend. The desired result is a state of society and where living conditions and resources are used to continue to meet human needs and without undermining and the integrity and stability of the natural system. Now, the sustainable development can be defined as development that meets the needs of the present and without compromising the ability of future generations to meet and their own needs. Sustainability and goals such as the current unlabeled sustainable development goals address the goals global and challenges and including poverty, inequality and climate change, environmental and degradations and peace and justice. Now, thank you. This session is powered by Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur, and if you have any queries, we will discuss in the problem solving. Thank you.